My parents brought me to Disney about 4 or 5 years ago. Ever since then, I loved imagining princesses in their pretty tutus and those balloons. They're always good times. Many characters like Jasmine, Snow White, Aurora, they've all been my favorite, but my best of all favorite is Cinderella. That's what gave me the info for drawing this very pretty drawing. First, I imagined her in pigtails because I thought it would be fun, and I also made it look like she was a ballerina because I just wanted to make it fun before I actually get into my actual drawing. And I was testing out how the legs should be positioned and where the hands should be and what hairstyle it is. And then finally I colored it. And honestly, I think myself it looks pretty good. This part, it was pretty tricky because I wanted to make it like the staircase, and the rug was pretty easy, I say, but I deleted it with 2 fingers and then to make it look satisfying, and then I make them reappeared. But I decided to make it a new one since I just like new stuff for some reason. I tried different background items, as you can see, that sword and that shield. It did look really pretty, so I decided to take it off after I looked at it for a few moments. As you can see, I also added a pink wall. It was kind of hard, honestly, because yeah. I also forgot how I drew those I used a special brush for that little circle thingies. I also hope y'all like it. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like our content, please make sure to click the subscribe, like, and share button, and please leave a comment down below. See you next time.